Hey, oh, I don't reach 1 week now. Now only biscuit. I just dey buy the chop. I no even fit buy bread. I no fit drink garri. Beans now don't turn big man food. Oh God, even energy to think sef I no get. The hunger for the land just dey too much. My belle just dey sing music since morning. I must do something about this problem. I must find solution by force. Otherwise hunger go kill me for here. Be like say I go try my luck for the other street. Make I see whether I fit collect small credit. Be like say I never try that area.
Oh, Mumu know too much. You think say they wise? You are a Mumu man.
Hello, small girl. Your mama dey house?
Good morning, Mr. Tom. My mom, dey around. Now, what do you want buy?
Nothing go happen. Just give me bread. How much be that bread?
Mr. Tom, the bread now 2,500.
What? No be bread when I just buy last week, like 1,200.
No be juju be
Which kind of problem be all these ones? No be me hunger go kill for this country. They owe me, Mr. Tom, Lagos
I
guy.
have left you.
Mr. Tom, I beg no use eye steal my mama bread. If you want buy, quickly buy. If no buy, come out for here.
Hey God! Hey, this one I see finish. Now me, this small girl you talk to like this. Because say I owe your mama small change. No worry now.
I beg, okay, you know if you do anything, you will poverty don already finish.
Photo.
God, now me you dey talk to like that. No worry, I go show you safe for this area. Now me grace pass.
No be juju be that.
Bring that bread, come here, Jai.
Mr. Tom, you must pay for that bread, though. You must pay for. Wait till say they go. I say you must pay for that bread, though. Thief, oh, thief,
Yeah,
thief,
left you
oh, thief.
Why are you running? Oh, Mumu know too much. This man. Why are you running? Photo.
Oh, Mr. Tom, wait till say they wrong go. And wait till you carry for there.
May God not allow them, make them kill you.
Oga police, I bet make una hold am o. This man just carry bread from our mama shop now, run. He no wan pay. I bet make una arrest am.
Oh yeah, Mr. Tom, be like say your blood dey hot, abi. No worry. Reach station, that hunger go disappear.
Think say they wise.
My guy, move Jari. Hi, officer, I'm gonna take am easy now. Now hunger, now they cause this thing. There's hunger in the land. Hey, God.
Thank you very much, my country people. I'm glad you enjoyed our program. Please hit like and subscribe to support our cause.